Crystallization can either be a natural or an artificial process. It consists of two main stages. The first is nucleation, which is where on a very small scale of a nanometer, molecular forces cause the particles to gather to form tiny solute clusters. Some of these clusters will be unstable and break down. However, those that can grow large enough to become stable go on to the next stage, crystal growth. The stability of the solute clusters depends upon the operating conditions, that is, the temperature, pressure, supersaturation, purity, and so on. The crystal growth is the continued growth and addition of solute particles onto the stable solute clusters. This occurs at the same time as continued nucleation, providing that supersaturation still exists. Supersaturation is where the solvent contains more solute than can be dissolved in the solution. Supersaturation will be in effect throughout the crystal's growth, provided the solvent is allowed to evaporate. You can see this stage quite well during the crystallization of sodium chloride, table salt. In this video it's been sped up quite considerably, since the actual crystallization took 12 to 24 hours. Crystals come in many different shapes and forms. Their shape is defined by the molecular structure. However, the crystal's size and purity will depend upon the operating conditions where the crystals formed. Since the crystallization process is controlled both by kinetic and thermodynamic factors, they are very hard to predict, thus making the crystals highly variable in their structure, size, etc. Crystal shapes are generally one of many different defined forms, such as garnet has got a rhombic dodecahedron crystal structure, quartz has got a six-sided prism ended in a six-sided pyramid, and vandellite has got a prismic or nobular structure, but occasionally it's got a hair-like structure as well. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, just post them in the comments box below, and if you've enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like button as well.